Hi, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to record a video outside today. Like this beautiful neighborhood. I'm about to go on a walk with my sister, but I want to talk about something that I just realized again. So I already made a video about how Fiverr ruined my YouTube channel and paying for monetization, and I got all these like foreign or spam or low country followers now. And then I was like, well, SEO is just SEO. It's just typing in things. It's just you know, put in keyword search, all these things. And then I've noticed after a certain SEO lady I use, my views spike, but the watch retention is still only 20 to 30 seconds. So I messaged her, I'm like, are you doing backlinks? Because I did ask for backlinks on this recent video. And then she's like, no, I do Google ads. And I'm like, "Ugh, lady. No, 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 no. So yes, Fiverr SEO is still a scam, y'all. The backlinks are bad. They run Google ads, and yes, they do the SEO, which I do appreciate. I'm like, you can't be running ads. I cannot keep getting scam, and like body views and clicks on my videos. Now, however, none of my views have been taken down. None of my monetization has been taken down. So there probably is real people, unlike some that are like scammy bots. However, it's just viewers that are from ads that are not loyal fans to my channel and not helping my channel in any way. So after doing that for a lot of my videos, I do have a video I posted years ago that is getting traction. It's made the most money on my channel and it has like 1,500 views organically, but it took obviously a long time. That I did SEO with someone, and I have a few SEO people who it didn't spike when I got the SEO done. So I either might go back to them, or I feel like I'm just gonna do SEO on my own. That's literally how I feel, and I'm really just doing SEO on my own and fully YouTube on my own now. No ads, no SEO, just doing it, grinding it out by myself. Can I recover this channel? I do not know. However, I have seen someone say if you uncheck the publish to subscribers and publish to um, subscriber feed, it can help your videos do better. Some people say it helps to do better even when you've grown organically and your subscribers are your own fans and subscribers. But I think in my case, I really need to do that because obviously all my subscribers don't even really like the content I'm posting. They're not organic. They're not real true fans of my content. So we are going to see how that works. I'm going to test YouTube out. It is June like 10th or 9th. This video will probably be posted June like 20 something, but I feel like if I do June to December and really just do YouTube organically on my own, uncheck the subscriber thing, and just keep posting every week, hopefully I can get out of this rut and gain a few hundred at least organic followers. Just let me know I'm on the right track. If not, 2025, I'll be starting a new YouTube channel, which might work out anyway because I'll be like great with trading and I'll be doing the thing so people really want to see the content anyway. It's like people don't really watch trading stuff unless you're like a millionaire trader, which is fine, which is fair. But we will see. I'm not going to give up on this channel. I don't want to give up on this channel. I put so much work and money into this channel, which lesson learned was a bad idea. I should have done more research. However, it's just an investment, like some people say. YouTube is a business, and it's just investments, and some investments hit and are great, and some investments are bad and they don't hit, and you just have to learn as you go. So we'll see if I can revamp my YouTube channel all organically, or like I said, I've had a few Fiverr SEO people because they put in a Word document. That's how I know it's legit. When they put in a Word document for me to upload on my channel, I do feel like those are good, but I don't see any growth for them, obviously. And I feel like it's things I could do on my own with like ChatGPT, which I did on the video I'm posting on Friday the 14th. So we'll see how that video goes. I did the SEO myself. Um, I unchecked, so that video will be posted already by the time this video comes out. So we shall see. It's the dropshipping versus trading video. So by the time this video is posted, if you're watching it, let's see the analytics on that video and go watch that video. But yeah, I'm going to try to resurrect my YouTube channel from the dead, from being ruined by Fiverr and paying for things I shouldn't have paid for. And my mentor, actually, that's one of the things my scammy mentor taught me is he was like, Upwork is better than Fiverr. Fiverr, everyone's really trash on there. And you know, I kind of lesson learned. I've been using Fiverr for years. It's been my go-to. I love it. But a lot of the work you get on Fiverr is just not. It's not the best, or you have to just do a lot of trial and error. Which again, I did find like 2 or 3 SEO people that if you want to know who they are, you can comment, and I'll send you the list of those people. But I feel like again, it's something like you could do with ChatGPT or just a little keyword research. And yeah, we'll see how my channel grows by December. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other videos you want to see, and let me know how your YouTube channel is going. If you're a small YouTube creator, you know, give me tips. You know, I'm just starting this journey for real, even though I've been on and off YouTube for years, but I'm really trying to post every week this year and scaling and reviving my YouTube after ruining it.